Alright, y'all, it's Vlogmas day 6. As y'all can see, I'm less energetic right now. I haven't eaten. I'm watching April Marie. My boyfriend is pranking her right now with some fart spray. So that's what I'm doing right now, watching YouTube. I just ordered some Chinese food, guys. I'm super excited for that. And I'm supposed to be going to my friend's house at 6 o'clock to go eat, and we're gonna be filming a Vlogmas there, because you know I just need content, so I need like something to do or whatever. Such a bird. But yeah, so the video today will be dropping late because just due to the fact that I usually stop filming every day around 5 or 6, and today I'm actually going to be filming the video at 6, you know. So the video will be up late, but it will be up. I'm not missing a day. No matter what time it's posted, it's still gonna be supposed to be 12. It was still will be posted before midnight, period. But yeah, so that's what I ordered. I ordered general toast shrimp with some vegetable lo mein and 2 shrimp rolls. Like, yo, I'm ready for this food. But let's get back into the YouTube video. Vlogmas! And today's fit is these pants with my Uggs because it's cold outside, and I've been feeling to wear these. Like, but I feel like every time I wear these boots, I feel like I need to have black pants on. Like, regular jeans don't look cute with these boots for some reason. Like, it just don't be going with the black fur. So yeah, back into the video though.
Hopefully she recording. That shit gonna
already know
stink.
what's going on. April Marie Flower.
That shit definitely gonna stink.
Oh, why is it on so much space? So guys, my food is finally here. Do y'all see that? What? Oh, what are you talking about? I'm recording. Corbett. Alright, y'all, so I'm eating my food and then I'm gonna leave. It's my coat right there that we're in today. Now we're watching like CV.
So I'm going to
Come on, go.
Hi, Auntie. He's putting oil on her head. On her head.
What do we do with the oil?
Put it in a ponytail.
Her put her head.
You will love it.
You
and
put
I
your
love
oil
you,
in your head.
Auntie.
In your head.
That's right. Love you.
Love you too.
And you puff. Get here.
So I'm putting oil in my hair to moisturize it.
And
Your
you are
tears.
so
In my hair.
Your
I
hair.
love it. And your hair is blue with white. And I know your favorite color. And it's purple with pink and yellow.
Ooh.
And that's so much fun.
You can't click.
So we can have the bed.
Click
You can go here. Or if you want to chill out with your friends, then you can.
Now you wetting the brush.
You're washing the brush? I love you. You're the best. And
Look at your
you
nails.
can do everything. Then you can be like some.
What?
But you can sleep princess. Or if you want to come, then
You're
you
gonna
can
get
come.
pretty.
You look so beautiful. And I hope you do a puff. And your puff is gonna be
Be quiet.
big. And this is beautiful puff. Like your favorite color. I know your favorite color. Pink with
don't press
purple
it.
and blue with orange and
Yeah, it took some.
frozen. So pretty. These are the best things I've ever seen. You're the best auntie. You're the best. You're good in the whole world. You can do whatever you can do, and you're just so great. And nothing, so you can like do everything. Anything, like you can go, or you can like go and chill out and what you wanna do.
Okay, so now you put on a scrunchie.
And you're the
What put a
best.
scrunchie on?
And you're the great.
To make a puff.
Puff?
And this is how you make a
Oh,
puff.
you make a puff.
But I never make a puff like you. Can you make me a puff right here? Please? Please? Please do it.
Why
Because
do-
I really
why
want
do-
you
why
to
do
make
you
a
do
puff on my ear.
Okay.
And I know you're best friend. You can do whatever and ever, but you can like chill. Like you can play, you can do anything.
And chill and get booty.
And you can like tie.
Hey, booty.
Don't say that.
Booty head.
You're the best.
Hey, booty head.
Stop it.
Hey,
You're the
booty
best.
head.
Stop it.
Hey,
You're messing up. You're gonna mess up the screen. I'm gonna say booty.
Stop saying booty scream.
Booty scream.
No.
I'm telling mommy now you'll figure it out. Can you go tell mommy say sing booty? I love you. You're the best. And
Booty
you can
scream.
And you just go everywhere if you
Booty
want
scream.
to. But
chestnuts roasting